Hey, how's it going? Welcome into FTL. My name is Spencer. Today we're going to be taking a look at this very unique Sony product. It is a DVD recorder with a miniature TV so that you can watch what you're doing and you don't need a TV to connect this to in order to use it. It's going to make it really easy for you to record from pretty much anything onto DVD, but let's go ahead and take a look at it. For all of the inputs and outputs, you've got a PC printer option right there. You can connect it to a computer and use it as an external DVD recorder, or you can connect it to a printer and just print directly from here onto the printer. And then you've got a Handycam connection right there. You can connect a Handycam recorder, or you can connect a external hard drive to record from. Then right here you've got your standard composite inputs. Just about anything can connect to those as long as you have an adapter. And then you've got S-video input and DV input. DV input is going to be your standard camera connector. And then on the other side you've got a memory stick duo connection, then a memory stick SD connection, and a CF connection. To demo it, we're going to connect this VCR to it, and we're going to connect it with the red, white, and yellow cable. We're going to match up one end right here. And then we're going to connect the other end of it to the DVD VCR output right here. The one labeled out. Then once we've got our power cord connected and the VCR connected, we can power this up. So now we'll go ahead and put in a blank disc. So right now we've got a DVD minus R that we're putting in. So now it's formatting it, and it looks like it completed the formatting. So now we can hit play on our external device, which is the VCR in this case, and you can see it playing back right there. You can't hear anything because there aren't speakers on this device, but it will be recording it. And whenever you're ready, you can just press that record button right there, and then now it's recording. And then whenever you're done recording what you want to record, you can push stop. And then it will load everything to the disc. And so now it's done with that. So if you want to wait and record some more, you can do that. Or if you're completely done with your recording, you can finalize the disc, and you're definitely going to need to. If you don't finalize it, it's not going to play back in other players. So we'll push return and then go to the setup menu. And then we're going to go DVD menu, or let's see, we're going to go finalize disc. So just so you understand, you go return, and then you're going to scroll down to setup. And then you're going to go all the way down to finalize disc. And then the finalization will just take a minute, and then once it's done, you can take it out and play it back in other players. Now that it finished finalizing, we went ahead and put it in this DVD player over here. And this is going to be what the final recording quality looks like for it. It's going to maintain it, and it's going to look the exact same that it did when it was on the VHS.
The day I met you, there was a white substance on your shoe rags.
That was all the basics of this portable Sony DVD recorder compact system. If you're looking to buy one of these, make sure you get it from us at fortheload.net, and you can call to order or order online. Thanks for watching.